Good morning to Sir Ritesh and the audience for this video. So we are Group 1, and before we start with our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves. So I'm Sean. Go on.
My name is Muhammad Nadia Putira.
My name is Nurul Farisha binti Mustafa.
My name is Mumtaz Amni binti Muhammad.
My name is Sarbilan.
My name is Muhammad Nazri.
And we would like to present the for our group presentation, which would include section A, where we will present about the 6 simple machines, and we will present the section B, which is about the type of tools for technical drawing. And let's proceed. Slide.
So for my part is introduction. So basic mechanical device that used for perform can make the work easier. The simple machine are used in various applications in daily life. It can reduce the effort, extending the ability of people to perform tasks. For example, the six simple machine is the wheel, axle, pull, plane, screw, and winch, and lever. Work are defined as a force that can respond to an object with direction or motion. With this, it can reduce amount of the effort and the force needed because it can manipulate or change the direction of the force with typical easy to understand and operate. I will pass my part to other audition.
Okay, so my part is about the six simple machine. First is levers. Levers is a rigid rod or bar when force is given to it to resist another force that known as load and move and rotate freely at fixed position that called fulcrum. A mechanical advantage that provided by levers is come when to transferring or altering force. Under levers, we have three class of levers: first class, second class, and third class. For first class, the fulcrum was between the load and effort. For example, seesaw. Second class is the load was between the fulcrum and effort. For example, wheelbarrow. And the third class is effort was between the fulcrum and load. For example, fishing load. Next is pulleys. Pulleys is the flexible rope and attached with wheel and axle for moving and transferring the load. We have two types of pulley. There is fixed pulley and movable pulley. I pass to next presenter.
Um, the inclined plane moves loads by pushing them up and down in relation to their height, much like ramps do. It is compromise of a level surface to prevent heavy objects from toppling over. The force required to raise an object at a distance can be reduced by increasing the force application distance. The mechanical advantage is that the farther something needs to be covered, the less force is needed to raise the load to the necessary height. Okay. So these are the example of inclined plane. Okay. So the next one is wedges. Wedges are simple machines that are triangular in shape, with one thick end and other with a sharp edge. It works to convert energy from the wide end into a strong force along its side to the sharp end. Wedge is normally used for tasks such as splitting, lifting, or holding object efficiently. Some common example of wedges such as knives, chisel, axes, doorstops, and metal wedges. Wedge can be found in various industries, including construction, engineering, and woodworking. So that's all for me. I will pass it to my another team member.
Okay. Screw. Screw is a mechanical fastener that view is twisted. Inclined plane wrap around a metal rod used for turning the screw to tighten or loosen into an screw is used for joint to pieces. Next. We can find screw in daily life, such as bulb, pillar, orchard, gas tank cap, and drip. Wheel and axle. That has two components. Uh, One is a circular wheel, and another is a cylindric, cylindrical axle. Two components are attached together. The wheel rotates around the axle. The bigger wheel can generate powerful force that can. We can see at the photo beside how it works. Next. So I pass to the next presenter for section D.
Next is section B. Section B is about the tool we use in drawing. The first tool that we use is technical drawing board. It can be used for many different things such as three-dimensional projectors. The technical drawing board is also to quickly and precisely construct the parallel line in drawing. Next is drawing paper. Drawing paper is we use is A3 size. It offers an efficient option for all of your drafting and design. A3 size commonly used for finished work and for sketching. Next is composite. Composite is used to drawing circle or arcs and which are component of circle. It can be done using a compass as a drawing tool. The compass set also can be used to transfer length between drawing and the measured distance. Next is set square. Set square we use the tool used in engineering and technical drawing to provide an edge at baseline and at right angle or other specific geometric angle. The set square have 45-degree and 60-degree angle. The last one is the rail mounted ruler. The rail mounted ruler used for technical drawing that is typically used as a guide for horizontal, straight line and on a drawing board. It can also be used to draw angle and vertical line when paired with a fixed square. That's all from me.
And now I will present the conclusion for section A and section B. So through our research in section A, we learned that there are there are six type of simple machines, which are levers, pulley, inclined plane, wedges, screw, wheel, and axle. So basically, we learned that simple machines are different compared to complex machines, even though they are interrelated in the daily usage of technology. So this simple machines is defined as the device that has little to no movement that is utilized for the purpose of adjusting force and motion to carry out tasks. So, and we also through this section A, we also learned that the mechanical advantage are defined as the multiplication of force acting on an object. Hence, these complex machines, we also learned that these complex machines possess a higher mechanical advantage, which is influenced by the number of components, which are simple machines. And uh, it can be concluded that these six machines are really important in this industry. Now we're going to present the conclusion for section B. So um, through the research on this section B, we learned that all of these six tools, all of these six tools, which five tools, um, which are technical drawing board, drawing paper, compass set square, and rail mounted ruler. So we learned that these five equipments has possessed different kind of functions which help the engineering industry to produce a final design which is important for any work in the engineering industry. So without these tools, drawings such as blueprint for machineries cannot be done. Going forward, innovation and advancement in technology should always be vetted and funded so that more efficient equipment can be invented, which helps greatly in the engineering industry in order to achieve a better level of efficiency in all aspects of the industry. Thank you. Mm.
Tak